welcome to my channel. I'm Cyprian Smith. Hopefully, if you saw my first video, the idea of the styles of teaching Cypress appealed to you, and that's why you're here for the second video. So this video will be about the installation of Cypress. When somebody goes to install Cypress, the immediate reaction might be to just go through this documentation and not quite read the requirements. So you might find yourself copying this command, going to your terminal, whether it's Mac or command line for Windows, and you'll see this issue, command not found for npm. That's because Cypress needs Node installed because it runs on top of Node. So all you need to do is go over to nodejs.org, and then all I'm going to do is click the installer that I need for my operating system, which is Mac. I'll download the installer. This shouldn't take too long. Okay. So once the installer is downloaded, you just need to go through the installation process. What I tend to do is take a copy of these directories just so I know where Node is installed. For this example, because I've done it a few times, I tend to delete everything that's in these directories so that I can run through the installer from scratch. So that might be something that's useful for yourself. So all I'm going to do is continue with the installation, accept the terms and conditions and the license agreements, and just allow it to install in its default location. If you're installing Node for the first time on Windows, you might find that if you try and run something that needs Node, such as the Node version command, you might still see this issue where it's saying that npm is not found. And that's just because of the way that Windows works. You'll need to close down your command line terminal and then open it back up, and it should pick up Node. For Macs, it's not an issue, so you can just do npm version, and you'll see there that it's got npm. With npm now installed, you'll be able to proceed with the next part of the installation, which is installing Cypress. I'll do that in a separate video so I can try and keep all these videos short, to the point, while still not going overly fast. So hopefully this video has been useful for you. If you can like, subscribe, add a comment, let me know what you want to see. Let me know if I'm going too fast or if you want me to slow down a little bit more, and some ideas of what you'd like covered. I'd appreciate that. Thank you very much.